How to connect the AirPods 2 or your AirPods 1 with a nothing phone using Bluetooth settings, as well as we're going to test out the Andropods app to see if it will also give us the pop-up animation. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure your AirPods are not already connected to another device, and then make sure they're charged with some battery life, at least 50%, then get them into pairing mode. And to get them into pairing mode, you can open up the case lid first here, and at the very back of your AirPods 1 or 2, there is this physical button right here. You can see it. You're going to hold down that button and don't let go until you see the battery light indicator here starts to blink in a white light. So I'll go ahead and hold it down. You do the same thing too, and keep it down until it starts to do this here. And hold it for like 3 more seconds, and then let it go. Keep the case lid open at all times so it can stay in pairing mode. And while it's doing that, on your nothing phone, you can use the quick panel access, and you can go ahead and long press the Bluetooth settings, this one right here. That'll take you into the main settings of your Bluetooth of your Nothing Phone 1 and select where it says pair new device. Once you do that, so just go ahead and tap on that, it'll start searching for nearby capable devices that's Bluetooth capable. You'll see AirPods show up, and in some cases when you single tap it, it'll do the pairing for you. If not, just go ahead and restart your phone and try again. But if you got it to connect, that's really cool. And you can tap here on the settings here to get use of some settings if you want to make it available for calls or media, and using the HD audio AAC, you can go ahead and do that as well if you want to. Next up, we're going to go ahead and test it out with the Andropods. When you first install the Andropods, you'll want to go ahead and allow permission for it, as well as allow overlays. Then once you reach here, go ahead and turn on the service so it can be available. Next up, you want to go ahead and choose the model of the AirPods that you have currently connected with your Nothing phone, and then make sure these are all turned on. So we're going to go ahead and test it out now to see how this works. And if you already have your AirPods connected, when you do this here, let's see if it's going to do anything. And that's what you're going to get here. The battery percentage will not be as accurate as always, but in this case here, I'm very sure that the battery percentage is accurate, as I recently did charge my AirPods here. And what I like about the Andropods is that it gives the pop-up animation here without having any ads displayed with it, unlike material pods. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So like, sub, and thanks for watching.